If you are uploading a video for the first time, you can import the file directly from your local device. If you have already uploaded a file, you can select it from Library. First, you need to select the original language in which you want to upload your video. You can also do a quick search through the text box to make the selection easier. Next, confirm the target language you wish to translate the video into. Currently, VMEG supports language translations from over 170 countries. VMEG has the ability to automatically recognize videos with multiple speakers. To improve accuracy, you can also manually select the number of speakers in the video. VMEG is capable of Smart Match, automatically analyzing the gender, age, and style characteristics of the speakers in the original video. It intelligently matches the most suitable voice from library. What's more, VMEG also supports voice cloning to make your video more natural. In addition, you can manually select a variety of different AI voices. VMEG provides more than 7,000 AI voices covering different accents, gender, age, and emotion for you to choose freely. You can add subtitles to your video. VMEG has designed 11 different styles of subtitles. By checking the box of lip sync, you can make your video speakers look more natural. When the dynamic duration feature is enabled, VMEG will automatically adjust the tempo after translation according to the length and speed of the target language to ensure the best video quality. By selecting the Keep Original Video Background Sound option, only the speaker's voice can be changed while the vocals are separated, leaving the rest of the audio unchanged. For those who want to translate quickly, you can choose Translate Now. For professional translators who require higher translation quality, you can click the Proofread button. VMEG will pre-generate the script after translation and provide users with script editing and correction. Finally, click Render to generate AI translation video.
Welcome to VMEG, the future of video translation. Con solo un clic, convierte tus videos em autênticas obras maestras em vários idiomas. Seja para divulgar produtos ou contar histórias, o VMEG garante que sua mensagem chegue e faça sentido para o público de qualquer lugar do mundo.
在此演示中，我们会展示如何轻松将视频翻译成多种语言。
英語から日本語、中国語、スペイン語など、VMEGの AI 技術は正確で自然な翻訳を提供し、メッセージの大切な部分をしっかり伝えます。